Hey guys, it's Wes, Not Your Normal Miner here. Today we got another fun one for you. Today we got another episode of Worker Work. That's right. Worker Work series is the day-to-day life of a GPU miner, GPU farmer. Just to kind of show you guys the behind-the-scenes stuff that the team and I are up to on a day-to-day basis. As always, got to say a huge shout-out, thank you to you, the community, for having us in your home. Huge thank you to the team. You guys do really great work. I really enjoy working out here. So this episode of Worker Work, we're going to kind of show you a little bit on what we've been working on. You can see here we got some shelving for in here. So this area, these racks, you'll see we use these racks for storing our GPUs and such. Well, we need some storage out here. So we got to get those racks out here because those are these racks, and that's what GPUs workers go on. Well, as you can see, the team's been working real hard. We got this row filled with those 7 and 8 GPU workers, and that's mirroring this row here. You can see a team member getting some networking stuff up. We got a busy week of dialing in this network. We got to get the network permanent here. We're going to get the networking permanent here. So keep an eye for another episode of Worker Works where we'll show you guys some more of that. But what also we've been doing here at the farm, and we'll kind of take you around here so you guys can see. Got some patch panel work to do, but we're going to get all that networking nice and tight. Make that stuff look great, because what have we been doing? Well, we've been moving the 7 and 8 GPU workers out of this section. So we had rows that looked like this, and now we're turning them into rows that look like this. This stuff's crazy. As you can see, we want to get all the 13 GPU workers over here, so that's what we've been doing. You can see we got the first set of them here. So this episode of Worker Work, just wanted to give you guys a little update on where we've been at. We've got one row here. You can see we got more 13 GPU workers there. This is not going to be a row, but if we need it, we got it. That's right. So we're going to have a nice aisleway going through here, and we're just going to start racking and cracking them. These are going to have to head back here. So big day tomorrow, big day we got going on. We've got to move all of these 13 GPU workers over here to this other section, you guys. But like I said, the team's been working really hard to keep up with keeping things stable, keeping GPU count up. So gotta say thank you guys for the kick butt work you're doing out here. We're crushing it, guys, setting records, having fun. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't been keeping up on the Worker Work series, make sure you hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. Check out the other Worker Work series. We got some crazy stuff that we've been doing out here. Also, if you like these videos, you better comment down below. Let us know what you think. Let us know what else you want to see. But you can see we got serious networking to do. Holy Spasconies, guys. We got some shenanigans going on out here. But yeah, so we are, like I said, guys, we're using HIVEOS. And HIVEOS and the stability when a worker goes up or down has really made us be able to do a lot of this stuff a lot faster. Worker counts up, worker count stays up, worker count stays steady, GPU count stays steady, life's great. Hashing, hammering away, you got to get that coin. Also, we got those GPUriser.com risers still out there. So huge thank you to the team for getting us those samples. As you can see, those are hammering out here at the GPU mining farm. I will say this, during temperatures and such, you'll see different things happen with risers and all those things. We'll explain more of those. Keep an eye out. We've got our ultimate GPU mining rig guide for 2021 coming out, guys. It's going to be like a 10 or 11 part series culminating in building live a 13 GPU mining rig. But guys, we're moving this stuff for some big things on the horizon. I cannot wait to show you guys some things that I don't know if you've ever seen before. But on this episode of Worker Work, we showed you some of the networking that we're going to do. We're going to do this stuff that we had said was permanent or temporary to permanent. And we've got a lot of workers that we've got to do. But we're out here at the GPU mining farm having a lot of fun. Comment down below, let us know what you think. Hit that subscription bell if you're new to the channel, and make sure you check out all those other episodes of Worker Works and everything else that we've got. But yeah, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner, guys. Hit it hard, hammer it hard, put the ETH in the bag. Have a good day. Thank you.